Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is December the 19th, 2021. We're going to talk about blink charging today. I just got finished doing a video for Plug Power, and literally both of those markets looked exactly the same. So my price prediction in the market in blink is going to be pretty much the same like it is in Plug Power. So it tells you something. If you just listen to what I just said, think about what I just said, and you tell me if these markets really move off of catalysts, off of fundamental analysis, off of technical indicators. Think about it. Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. I'm not here to talk about fundamental analysis. I'm not here to talk about no technical indicators because it is all useless and garbage. Yeah, the only thing that matters is what people are doing with the money. And there's only two things that you can do whenever you come into the stock market that you can do with your money. Either you're going to buy the market or you're going to sell it. That's it. Two transactions is all we're going to have in the stock market. Okay. So let's see it. You guys can see from my price chart in blink, I did a price prediction. Yeah, I did. Now, before I break that down, before I talk about what I'm looking for the market and blink charging to go next, hit the like button. Should have been also subscribed to the channel. You can learn so much just by looking at a bear price chart. Just by looking at price bars and volume, I'm going to show it to you. All right. So look at this. August the 24th was the last video I did in blink charging. Take a look. I was playing in weakness in August, and you guys can see that yes, price in blink charging did go down. Look at it. Price went all the way down to $26, right? And look at where I told you all that we can see the market go. I said 25. That is almost exactly where the market came and bounced, and that's where we saw the uplift in price momentum right there. See, I didn't tell you all that I was looking for price in blink to come down to 20. I didn't say it was going to come down to 16. I said right there around 25, right there. And that is precisely where the market came and turned from going down to start going up. You guys can actually do it's so simple. You cannot get this with fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis cannot tell you where a price is going to turn. They can't. So look at this. I was around what? 18, almost 19% profitability right here from October the 7th, October the 6th. So from August the 24th to October the 6th, almost 20% done. Right now, that's done. That is over. I'm not here to continue to dwell on what has already happened in the past. We got to get ahead of the game. So look at this. We already knew that in blink charging, restriction was coming around 44. Well, how do you know that? It's simple. The market has already determined that. This is where the market turned back in April, even in June. So for us to see price come back down in November at 48, I mean, come on. You should have already expected that to happen, right? Now, logically, since that has occurred, we would expect us to do what then as price is coming down now? Exactly. We would expect to see the buyers come into the market and blink charging right there around $25.50. I mean, come on. That is our expectation, but it doesn't mean that it's going to happen, right? So let me show you. Let me extend this out to like the February time frame, okay? Because our attention is going to be focused on this $25.50 price, $26.50. Yes, this is where our attention is going to be focused in at, okay? Now, all we have to do is switch over the time frame to see if the buyers are coming through around $25.50, because if so, we should be seeing increase in volume. We should be seeing indications of strength appearing on the chart, right? So let me show you all this on the 3-day time frame. Now, look at this. We got some history here in this market for blink charging, right? I cannot emphasize enough how important it is for us to see blink charging come and hold $25. We need to see that hold for real. Because we break 25, We have to be prepared for a market to come all the way back down to 20, like I said earlier. And then eventually it might even be $15. Yeah, in the long term. So this is the 5-day time frame, right? Now, I want you all to understand that this volume bar right here is in relation to what happened here. All right, look at it. I want to show it to you. This is the strength bar right here. 5 days of trading, market in blink charging went down, and we saw the price close up at the top of the bar. But then when you look at the next 5-day price bar, we didn't even get that. We got the weakness. This lets me know that around $45, $47.50 is where the sellers are at. And they are still dominating this market in blink charging. Now, here we are though. Like I said, $25.50, we need to see the buyers approach. And it doesn't mean that they won't. Actually, I'm looking for the price to initially go up. Yes, I am. Because we've seen the market in blink charging decrease in value from a high of $49 to where we are trading at now at $28.20. That's 42% loss. At some point, we need to see the price go up, right? And by a deduction in value in blink charging of 42%, yeah, we need to see the market bounce. We need to see it come back up. But let's not get it twisted. Just because you see price go up doesn't mean that the market is now strong again and that the strength is controlling this space. Let me show you this on the 5-week time frame. Look at this. This is one reason why I'm massively weak in the market in blink charging, at least from a 5-week perspective. I'm not saying on a day-to-day basis that the market in blink charges is not going to go up. But when you look at this on 5 weeks, this is scary. This is massively weak in blink charging. Now, nobody else is going to give you this information, but we will. Okay. Now, given that this looks so weak on a 5-week time frame, do you think the market's going to hold 25? There's a slim chance that it can. I would say maybe 10-15% chance that the market is going to uphold price right there around $25.50. Look at this as well. This is the trend, right? This is the upward momentum on a long-term basis in blink charging. So this is going to be all important for us to see price hold 25. I cannot stress that enough to you. Price in blink charging will have to hold around $25. Look at this. Look at this. This is the current trend into the market in blink charging. So if anything, this is where the crossroads is going to happen into the market in blink charging. Right around here. I'm going to circle it. This is where the buyers have to show up. Period. Yeah, emphatically, they have to show up there, because if so, then I will be expecting the market in blink charges to come down and start to come back up. That is the expectation. But when I saw this on a 5-week time frame, it looked like the market in blink charge is going to do this and go down and break it. Yeah. So what I'm going to do on this particular prediction is, yes, I'm going to play the weakness in the market in blink charging. Now, I already know, I'm telling you from the rip, this is where we need to be prepared to at least nibble and take the bag in blink charging, because I already know that, yeah, the buyers can show up there. That gives us around 7.63% profitability into the market in blink charging. Second area is going to be, the first area I said was around $26. Okay. Second area is going to be around $25.50. That gives around 10%. Okay. 10%. My third area is going to be down here towards $22. And that would take us breaking this trend. That would be massively negative and bearish. Okay. Now that's how low I'm looking for the price to go in the extreme. If we come down to 22, for us to be proactive instead of reactionary, we need to start thinking about price coming down to 20 to even 15. But that's not yet seen. I need to see the weakness break these all important trends price levels, 25.50. If I see that on weakness, most definitely I'm playing massively weak in blink charging. All right. Now, until we see the market in blink charging come back up above this particular number, $35. We need to continue to expect price to go down. Okay. So looking at this on a day-to-day basis, let me get rid of this because price is no longer trading around $44, and our attention is going to be seen here. Okay, we need to pay attention over the next couple of trading days to see what the market does around 25.50, and preferably alongside this ascending line. Okay, we have to. So let me bring this in closer. Let me extend this out just like that. So now we got the field. This is our game plan. This is what we're looking for the price to do in the blink charging right there. Okay, so now it's your turn, right? It wasn't hard, it wasn't confusing. I want you all to tell me, what is your price prediction in blink charging? Are you looking for the market to go up or down? Call it. Be one of the first ones to be in position to win off the move. Let us know. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.